2017 F150 3.5 liter engine, gasoline. Okay, we're going to verify intermittent misfire using power balance test. Okay, during idle, the power balance test shows that all cylinder is showing no or balance power each cylinder. We're going to verify the misfire using or by loading or applying load to the engine. Here we go. The engine is shuddering during engine load, and even now the engine is showing constant misfire during power balance test for cylinder number 5. Okay, this is how you perform power balance test to be able to verify intermittent misfire during engine load. Vehicle is running, applying at least 50% engine load. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Verifying misfire using misfire monitor. Okay, the same condition, intermittent misfire of the cylinder during idle. As you see, there is a red line. Red line is indication of normal cylinder power. Red line above is the normal cylinder power. Red line below is indicating the cylinder is misfiring, intermittent or constantly. Okay, here we go. Okay, again. The engine is shuddering, indicating that a constant misfiring is present. As shown in the misfire monitor, cylinder number 5 and intermittently cylinder number 3, showing that in red line, the cylinder number 5 is showing low power during engine load. Okay, that's why you can see a lot of fluctuation below red line. Red line above is normal, but the red line below is considered as misfire or intermittent misfire. Okay, that's how you verify intermittent misfire using misfire monitor. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Okay, performing relative compression test. Okay, relative compression test is measuring the compression in the cylinder using scan tool. Okay, before, the approach for measuring the compression test of engine is doing manually, but nowadays there is a equipment or tool or scan tool that can able to perform the test using only scan tool. Okay, for this engine, 3.5 liter gasoline. Okay, I will do relative compression test for the cylinder. Okay, this is the requirements. Vehicle must be in parking brake. The gear is in neutral. The ignition switch is on. Okay, the battery must be fully charged, and you need to wide open throttle. Okay, I will press now the the accelerator pedal to open up the throttle plate. Okay, and start the engine. Okay, we need to until the counter ends up to 0. Okay. This is the relative compression of the engine. This is measured by how the cylinder responds each other. Okay, as we can see, there is a little off in this one. Normally, if you have 20% off, okay, you need to validate the compression actually or perform actual compression test in the vehicle. You need to remove the spark plug and use. For this one, I have a very little variation, around 2%. It's not really a big deal. Normally 25% is the most obvious compression loss, but for this one is only 2%. Okay, this one is no need to perform any manual or actual compression test. For this test, relative compression test already indicate that the cylinder is or the compression is okay. Comparing to the actual operation of the vehicle, you cannot feel any loss of power. Okay, the balance is good for this one. Cylinder number 5 is a little bit off. For the actual reading is only 1%, but here, okay, yeah, it's really 1%. It's not really big deal. Cylinder compression is not really an issue for this MISFIRE. Okay, thank you.